Hello children. Today we will start with computer lesson 7, file management and introduction. In this chapter we will learn what is a file, how to create it, how you will save a file, then how you will open a file which is already been saved, and after that we will learn about file management. In this chapter, first let me tell you what is a file. Have you ever heard your mother telling you to keep all your things in places? Why do you think she asked you to keep all your things in your own places? So that when you want the notes or you want something, you can take it from that particular place. So it is important to organize your things to make our work easy. If you will keep your things in the place where you should keep it, you can find it in a very less time. And where we store our belongings, it is known as your storage place. Like in almirah, you store your clothes. In school bag, you keep your books, pencil box, lunch box. In refrigerator, you store food items. Okay, so these are known as your storage place. Similarly, in computer, we have to store the data or information. So we store or save the information in a computer in the form of a file. So what is a file? It is a collection of related information kept together on a computer or any storage device like your hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drive is called a file. It is important to save the information in file so that whenever you need it or you want to give to somebody, you can use it. Okay, so we can save the files with different names. You can give particular names to all the files, like you are giving names to your copies like math copy, computer copy, science copy, like that you can give name to the files. If you have stored something some notes of your math book or copy, then you can give the file name as math notes. Then if you have written some notes on language, you can give the name as language notes. Okay, so all the files can be saved with different names. You cannot give same name, you have to give different names. Then we will see how to create a file. First we will see the step 1, click on the start button. Step 2, click on the window accessories. And if you are opening your as we have learned previously the paint chapter, so I will teach you how to open that paint application. Step 3, a new paint window will appear. Step 4, draw a shape of your choice and color it. And step 5, a new file is created which contain the work done by you. So I will show you this with the help of the computer. So children, first step 1 was to click on the start button. This is your start button. Can you see the cursor? This is your cursor or pointer, mouse pointer. Click on the start button. See, your start button came. Then you will go for accessories. Accessories here on the top you can see. This is your accessories. Just click on it. You will get paint option. Here is your paint. Just click on it. So see, this one is your paint window. Then you know where to click. These are the shapes. You just click whichever you want. Just take this one. And you know you have to place the pointer and just drag it. It will come. Then we will take any other shape like your star shape we can take. Just drag it. Okay. Then you can fill the color. Go for your colors. Let me take red color. Okay. Then let me take yellow color. We have filled, and this you have drawn the shapes of your choice. This you have drawn the shapes, and this is your file. Now we will learn how to save this file. So what are the steps? Step 1, click on the file tab. Step 2, select the save option from the menu. When you will click on the save option, since you are saving it for the first time, so the save as window will appear on the screen. Step 4, select the location where you want to save the file. Step 5, type the name of the file in the file name box, then click on the save button. Your file will be saved in the selected location. So let me show you in the computer. This is your file which you have drawn or made. Then what you have to do, you have to simply go to the file tab. This is your file tab, just click it. See here you can see save, click on save. This is your save as button has came. You have to just choose where you have to keep this one. You have to keep in desktop, just click on desktop and just write the name, whatever name you want to give. I will give it color. I have given the name as color and then I just want to save it. Click on save. See the name, it is coming in your title bar and your file has been saved in the name of color. So now if I will close it, see your file has came here. See, this one is your file. Can you see? This one is your file. Okay, when I will click it, see, this whatever you have drawn in your paint, it has came. So in this way you can open a file, create a file and you can save your work in it.